Welcome students. Today we are going to start with you. Okay, that is chapter 10, life skill. Okay, so the first questions from the chapter. Select the incorrect match. See the picture. Select the incorrect match. School ahead. Option A. Option B is U-turn prohibited. Option C roundabout, and option D may network. Here, what will be the incorrect match? That is option A. School area. Okay, this will be the here the correct option is option B. Option B. Okay, U-turn. This will be incorrect option. Next, which of the following activities is not safe? Number A. Ria takes medicines after asking an adult. Option B. Rohan always holds an adult's hand while crossing the road. Option C. Sia picks up any toys she finds lying on the road. Option D. Sam does not open the door to strangers. Okay, here which activities is not safe? Here option C. Option C, that means Shia picks up any toy she finds lying on the road. Okay, this option will be not safe. This is right option. This is the right options. Now next questions. You are in a shop. The salesperson is persuading you to buy a book that you do not need. What will you do? Here the option is ignore him, politely say that you do not need it, shout at him for disturbing you. Last option, buy the book. Okay, here the correct option is option B. That means politely say that you do not need it. Okay, option B is the right answer. Next, if Rashi is an honest girl, then she is rude, cunning, greedy, loyal. Here the right option is option D, loyal. Okay. Next question. You have lost your cousin's book. What will you do? You will admit your mistake and say sorry. You will tell your cousins that the book has been turned by you and she in binding. You will lie about borrowing the book. You will say that you are not returning the book as you like it very much. Okay. Here the correct option is option A. Okay, you will admit your mistake and say sorry. Next, match the proverbs given in column 1 with the values given in column 2 and select the correct option. That is column 1 in column 2. In column 1, stitch in time saves 9. Fear is only as deep as the mind allows. God helps those who help themselves. Many hands make light work. It's better to give than to receive. This 5 are from column 1. And in column 2, courage, self-help, prompt actions, helpfulness, okay, teamwork. So here the right option is option D. Okay, option D. This option D means here 1, stitch in time save 9. This is our prompt actions. This one. Okay, fear is only as deep as the mind allows. Okay, this will be encourage. God helps those who help themselves. This will be option Q. That means self-help. Many hands make light work. This will be option T, teamwork. Next, it's better to give than to receive. Okay, here the right option is option S. Okay, that means helpfulness. So here the correct option is option D. Next question. You are playing with your friends in the garden of your building and you see an old lady who is your neighbor climbing the stairs with a heavy bag. What will you do? Here the correct option is option C. Okay, first option is make fun of her. Okay, this is very wrong. Next is continue to play as you are in the middle of the game. help her in climbing by sharing her load, ignore her as she is a stranger. Okay, here the correct option is option C, help her in climbing by sharing her load. Okay. Next, Surbhi takes part in poem recitation competition in school. She lost the competition to Shweta. What should she do? Here the correct option is she should envy Shweta. She should accept it positively as everyone cannot win in a contest. She should blame the judges for being partial. She should steal the trophy from Shweta. Okay, here the correct option is option B. She should accept it positively and everyone cannot win in a contest. Okay. Next is, your friend has been bullied by a group of students in school. What will you do? What will you do? Here the correct option is option D. Will you report the problem to the principal or class teacher? Okay. Here this is the correct option. The rest of the options are, will you stay quiet and hope the issues goes away on its own? You will get into physical fight with them. You will join them. And last option, you will report the problem to the principal or class teacher. This will be the correct option, option D. Last question from this chapter, that is, while presenting a poem in the class, you should not speak slowly and clearly, exhibit confidence, chew gum, make eye contact with the audience. Okay, here the correct option is option C, chew gum. Okay, this will be the correct option, option C. Okay, so this is our chapter 10 about life skills. Next chapter is chapter 11, current affairs. Here the first question is, who is the Minister of Home Affairs in India? Option is Amit Shah, Ram Vilas Paswan, Rajnath Singh, none of these. Here the correct option is option A, Amit Shah. Okay, Amit Shah is the right option, Minister of Home Affairs in India. Next, the 2020 Nobel Prize in Literature was awarded to American poet. What will be the correct options? Here the correct option is option C, Louis Gluck. This will be the correct options. Next question, which of the following countries has been declared polio free by World Health Organization in 2020? Here the correct option is option B. Option B is the correct option, Nigeria. Who is the current Chief Minister of Gujarat? Here the correct option is option A, Vijay Rupani. Next, what was the theme of National Science Day 2020? Here the correct option is option D, Women in Science. Next, National Mathematics Day is celebrated in India on 22nd December to mark the birth anniversary of dash. Here the correct option is option A, Srinivas Ramanujan. This will be the correct option. Okay. Next, who won the Sir Garfield Sobers Award for Male Cricketer of the Decade in ICC Award of the Decade 2020? Here the correct option is option D. Okay, Virat Kohli. Okay. Next is latest Indian rupees 10 denominations banknote has the motif of dash on the reverse. Here the correct option is option B, Sun Temple, Konark. Okay, this will be this was a motif of dash on the reverse. The National Girl Child Day in India is observed on dash. National Girl Child Day in India, it was It is option C. Okay, it is option C, 24th January. Who is the current chief of the air staff? Here the correct option is option B, Rakesh Kumar Singh Vadaria. Okay, Rakesh Kumar Singh Vadaria. Next question, who is the winner of French Open 2020 women's singles? Here the correct option is option B. Next, Dash is the first indigenous anti-radiation missile of India. Here the correct option is option D, Rudram 1. Okay. Next, who among the following is the current governor of Reserve Bank of India? Here the correct option is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das is the current governor of Reserve Bank of India. Next, coin of rupees 100 denominations was released by Prime Minister of India to celebrate the birth centenary of Dash. Okay, birth centenary of Dash. It was the answer of option A. Okay, the answer is option A, Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia. Option A is the right answer. Next, who is the current Minister of Education of India? Here the right option is option C. Okay, option C, Ramesh Pokhriyal. Ramesh Pokhriyal is the current Minister of Education in India. Next, which sports person is the youth ambassador of UNICEF India? Here the correct option is option D, Hima Das. Hima Das is a youth ambassador of UNICEF India. Next, Donald Trump has become the Dash president in US history to be impeached twice. Here the correct option is option B, first. Which Indian author has won the Jesse B. Prize for Literature in 2020? Here the correct option is option C, S. Harris. Next, who is the Prime Minister of Canada? Option B is the correct answer, Justin Trudeau. Next, the National Sports Day in India is celebrated on Dash on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. This will be the here the correct answer is option B, 29th August. 29th August is on the birth anniversary of hockey player. Okay, Major Dhyan Chand. Okay students, so this is all about our chapter 10, that means life and skill, and chapter 11 current affairs. Okay, in our next class we discuss about this questions answer. Okay, so if international general knowledge Olympiad, okay, there's some general awareness. Okay, then bye, thank you.